Hey guys, welcome back to Cars and Tech, the channel where we bring you the best and the latest in car technology. In this video, we're going to show you the top 5 best-selling cars in US in 2023. These are the cars that have been dominating the sales charts and winning over customers with their reliability, performance, and value. Let's get started. 5. Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry is a perennial bestseller, and it's easy to see why. It's a mid-size sedan that offers a comfortable ride, a spacious interior, and a range of efficient and powerful engines. The 2023 Camry gets a minor facelift that includes a new front bumper, grille, and headlights. It also gets some new features, such as a wireless charging pad, a digital rearview mirror, and a rear seat reminder system. The Camry is available with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that makes 203 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque, or a 3.5-liter V6 engine that makes 301 horsepower and 267 pound-feet of torque. There's also a hybrid version that combines a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor for a total output of 208 horsepower and an EPA-rated 52 mph combined. 4. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 is the best-selling crossover in America, and it's not hard to understand why. It's a compact SUV that offers a versatile cabin, a smooth ride, and a lot of standard features. The 2023 RAV4 gets some new colors and options, but it remains largely unchanged from the previous year. The RAV4 is available with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that makes 203 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque, or a hybrid version that combines the same engine with 2 electric motors for a total output of 219 horsepower and an EPA-rated 40 mph combined. There's also a plug-in hybrid version called the RAV4 Prime that boosts the output to 302 horsepower and allows for an electric-only range of 42 miles. 3. Ram Pickup. The Ram Pickup is the best-selling truck in America, and it's one of the most advanced and refined pickups on the market. It's a full-size truck that offers a luxurious interior, a smooth ride, and a lot of towing and hauling capability. The 2023 Ram Pickup gets some new features, such as an available head-up display, a digital rearview mirror, and a trailer reverse guidance system. The Ram Pickup is available with several engine options, including a 3.6-liter V6 that makes 305 horsepower and 269 pound-feet of torque, a 5.7-liter V8 that makes 395 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque, or a 3.0-liter turbodiesel V6 that makes 260 horsepower and 480 pound-feet of torque. There's also a mild hybrid system called a Torque that adds some extra torque and fuel efficiency. 2. Chevrolet Silverado. The Chevrolet Silverado is the second best-selling truck in America, and it's one of the most capable and customizable pickups on the market. It's a full-size truck that offers a rugged design, a spacious interior, and a lot of engine choices. The 2023 Silverado gets a major update that includes a new front end, new headlights, new taillights, and new wheels. It also gets some new features, such as an available Super Cruise system that allows for hands-free driving on certain highways, an available 4-wheel steering system that improves maneuverability and stability, and an available multi-flex tailgate that offers 6 different configurations for easier access and loading. The Silverado is available with several engine options, including a 2.7-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder that makes 310 horsepower and 348 pound-feet of torque, a 4.3-liter V6 that makes 285 horsepower and 305 pound-feet of torque, or a 5.3-liter V8 that makes either 355 or 383 horsepower, depending on the transmission. 1. Ford F-Series. The Ford F-Series is the best-selling car in America for over 4 decades, and it's one of the most innovative and versatile pickups on the market. It's a full-size truck that offers a lightweight aluminum body, a high-tech interior, and a lot of power and performance. The 2023 F-Series gets some new features, such as an available onboard scale system that measures the weight of the cargo and displays it on the infotainment screen, an available smart hitch system that measures the tongue weight of the trailer and provides guidance for hitching, and an available Pro Power onboard system that provides up to 7.2 kilowatts of power for various tools and appliances. The F-Series is available with several engine options, including a 3.3-liter V6 that makes 290 horsepower and 265 pound-feet of torque, a 2.7-liter turbocharged V6 that makes 325 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque, or a 3.5-liter turbocharged V6 that makes either 375 or 400 horsepower depending on the trim. That's it for this video. We hope you enjoyed learning about the top 5 best-selling cars in US in 2023. Which one of these cars would you like to buy or own? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cars and Tech for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.